Once again, back to basic Bangla. I Shan Shuvo-Sandhya from Kolkata. Ekhon kota baje. Ekhon kota baje. What's the time now? Ekhon means now. Kota, how many? Baje means strikes. Actually, this idea comes from the striking of the clock. Ekhon kota baje. What's the time now? Ekhon charte baje. Now it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Ekhon charte baje. Ek, dui, tin, char. 1, 2, 3, 4. So char means 4. Ekhon charte baje. Ekhon sondhe charte baje. Or ekhon sokal charte baje. Ekhon sokal satta baje. Now it's 7 in the morning. Ekhon sondhe satta baje. Now it's 7 in the evening. Okay? So we'll take a separate session on how to describe time. But just remember, ekhon kota baje, ekhon charte baje, ekhon nota baje, etc. and etc. You have learned I means Aami. And in the plural form, it becomes Aamra. I'm talking about pronouns, yes. Aami, Aamra. I, we. You, Tumi, tomra. Second person, we have other forms also. But at present, just learn Tumi, tomra. Aami, Aamra, Tumi, tomra. And he becomes se. And they becomes tara. We have other forms. Just try to remember these 3 basic forms. Aami, Aamra, Tumi, tomra, se, tara. And we will discuss other forms later. If you can remember this, then things will not look very unknown then. That's why Aami, Aamra, Tumi, tomra, se, tara. Now we come back to our consonant sounds and letters. The other day we learned 10 letters. You remember? Ka vargo and cha vargo. So ka vargo, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Cha vargo, cha, cha, ja, ja, yang. Now, ta vargo and ta vargo. So ta vargo has 5 letters. Ta, tha, da, dha, murdhanna, ta, tha, da, dha, murdhanna. All the sounds are coming from the tip of your tongue touching the front side of the roof of your mouth. That is palate. That is in Bengali called murdha. So you try ta, tha, da, dha, murdhanna. Now see, ta and tha. These 2 sounds are represented by T in English. This tha is more stronger form of ta or T. How? When you say ta, it becomes date, computer, or say in Bengali, taka. Taka means money. Or chota, you are running. Ami chutchi. Okay? That is chota. When you say ta, you use this T sound, but stressed one. Time. Table. Not time, not table, but time. Table. Thalagari. Thalagari, thala means push. And gari means cart. So the cart that you push becomes thalagari. And then Thakur. Thakur means, say, Rabindranath Thakur, for example. It's a surname. And the British could not pronounce Thakur, tha sound. So they made it Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore. Actually, originally it is Rabindranath Thakur. So you get ta and tha. Then come to da sound. This is available in English. Da, deep, discard, daga, dugdugi. Daga means softer part of a branch of a tree, that is twig. And dugdugi is a small instrument for creating rhythm. So Da sound is a known sound. Dum dum digga digga, dum dum digga digga, dum dum di, death, deep, discord, dogga. Then dha sound. This sound is not available. Dha sound is absolutely not available in English. But in Bengali we have dher. Dher means onek, many. And dhola. Dhola means baggy, baggy pant, baggy shirt, etc. Then tata dada murdhanno. Murdhanno, actually this original sound in Sanskrit is like kona, kona. But in modern Bengali, that Sanskrit sound is no longer there. It's simply kona, something like this now. There is no difference. But there are some words coming from the Sanskrit language retain this spelling of murdhanno. Okay? So kona and karan is pronounced in Bengali as kona and karan. Okay, then we come to this tha varga and we have 5 letters again. Ta, tha, da, dha, dantanno. Point is that there is a kind of relationship between these two vargas. These varga gives you, or the letters in these varga give you hard sounds, and this varga gives the softer parts of these sounds. Here we have ta varga and all are hard sounds, and here we have tha varga, all are soft sounds. For example, you will understand. If you use ta sound and say Italy, when you come to this ta, it becomes Italy, Italia. Okay, so we have Italy, we have Tajikistan. We never say Tajikistan. It's always Tajikistan. So ta is there. Then tali. Tali means clapping. Tali. And tubri is a firework. Next one, tha. Tha sound is very much English sound. We have theme, we have thick. And in Bengali you have thala, that is plate. And we have matha. Matha means this part of your body is called matha, means head. Come to the next one, da. Da is not available in English, but hard form is available. That is D. Dental. Dent. Dental cream. But in French, this dent is dent. So we have this da. And you know, Dante. Dante, not Dante. The Italian poet, he is called Dante. And British people can pronounce this one, Dante. And we have Daba, chess. And we have Vedana, means pain. Da sound is there. Now come to dha sound. This dha sound is absolutely absent in the English language. So we have to borrow from Bengali, dhan, paddy, grain, and patha, resistance. Then dantanno. Dantanno means your tip of the tongue touches the back part of your teeth, and then the sound is produced. No, no, dantanno. This no is represented by n in English. So example is nasty, national. And in Bengali we have nodi. Nodi means river, and dan means you give away something to somebody. Dan. Normally, when we speak or we write something, we use these consonant sounds in combination with vowel sounds, and the sound changes. Ta, for example, ta becomes ta, ta, ti, te, to, to. Then ta, ta, ti, te, tu, to. Then da, da, di, do, do, do. Don't worry, we'll do all these things later. Now, just try to remember ta, ta, da, da, murdhanno, and ta, tha, da, dha, dantanno. And Bengali words that we have come across: taka, chota, thalagari, thakur, doga, dugdugi, dher, dhola, kona, karan, তালি, তুবড়ি, থালা, মাথা, দাবা, বেদনা, ধান, বাধা, নদী, দান. So many. Maybe difficult for you to remember, but try to remember as many as possible. And we make an end of this session today. Please remember us, try to subscribe our channel and try to share these contents to those who may be interested. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Meeting you once again very soon.